Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The Royal Majesties that are here, the Attorney General of their country representing Mr. President, the Deputy Senate President, the Deputy Speaker, formal governors, I greet you all. GYB, as we all know, I made a speech recently during one of the security summits in this country that the youngest governor we have in Nigeria is a 46-year-old man. Here we are celebrating his 46th birthday anniversary today. But truth be told, in our country, we know the state of things as far as insecurity is concerned. And everybody is worried. What are we going to do? That demography, as I mentioned earlier on, hasn't been well taken care of. The current leaders spread across their country, even our past leaders, they were pioneers of our great country at some point. And they ruled within the age bracket of in their late 20s and very early 40s. GYB, we're celebrating you today, Your Excellency. What are you going to pioneer? Food for thought for you. You are the youngest governor in Nigeria. Okay. You are the most active governor. You can move around. Yes. But I want you to think deeply. What are you going to pioneer? So that you will create a pathway for these youths that are looking up to you. It's very important for us to know that at some point in this country, all the past leaders and even the present ones, they were pioneers. They were able to stand up during colonization and stand up to, we will not take this any longer. What are you going to stand up for? What are we going to know you for? You have the platform as the governor of Kogi State. We know what you're doing in this state, but we want you to do more. You know, any day, any time, I'm always for you, and I will always be for you. Any day, any time you call on me, I will be there. We all know the problem of our country. We keep talking about security. We keep talking about security. Let us focus more on solution. Let us bring governance very closer to this demography. It's very important. We know the good and we know the bad in their midst. But when we bring governance closer to people between the age bracket of late 20s and in their mid and late 40s, the country will be a better country for us. They constitute over 70% of this country. GYB, you're still very young, Your Excellency. And I know your beautiful and amiable wife is supporting you. We still need your energy more in this country. Because I'm not here to talk about the state and the security situation in our country. We all know it. Let us focus on the positivity of our their nation. What I will tell you is, what are you going to pioneer? It's very important. Look for a niche for you to pioneer. It's not by accident that you are the youngest governor in Nigeria and you've been serving your second term. You started pretty early and you are just 46 years old today. A lot of youths are looking up to you. Are you rising up to that occasion? Are you mentoring them very well? It's very important for you to know that you still need to do more. We are using this celebration of yours to let you know that the expectation is very high. Are we going to continue to follow the normal routine in this country? Oh yes, okay, aspiration. What are you going to do differently? What are we going to do that will be different from the narratives? We all know the narratives of this country. It hasn't been yielding results. Make sure, and by the very special grace of God and the spirit of our ancestors, will continue to guide you right, to pioneer great things. They pioneer things. We don't wish them dead. They are still alive that have ruled our country. We're not going to pray for them to die. But what we want is, in a way, how are they going to step aside? So that they will see that we have responsibilities as the real owners of this country. Whenever they want election to be successful, they will focus and campaign for the youths to come out to vote. If they want otherwise too, it is the same youths that they will attack and go to disrupt everything. So we are saying enough. You are a leader, a natural leader, a governor of a state, and the state has been very peaceful thanks to your effort, thanks to your tenacity. On this note, on your 46th anniversary, I want to present a very spiritual, very sacred gift to you that has a meaning that whenever you blow that trumpet, the whole country must hear you. Because the demography of this country supports you so greatly. You need to come out the more. You need to obviously prefer solutions. You need to stand up, because how long are we going to continue to talk about problems? It's better for us to prefer solutions. Everybody knows the problem of this country. Are we going to continue to fold our arms? Are we going to continue to just sit down and be saying insecurity, insecurity? We're not going to continue. We need to change the narratives. On this note, in order not to waste our time, I want to present this gift to you. The gift has a meaning. You will continue to blow the trumpet. It is made from bronze. It is into perpetuity, Your Excellency. You are not just the 46th. You are not just clocking 46 today, and you are not just the youngest governor in Nigeria. It has a meaning at this time. The youth need to hear your voice the more. You need to do more. We're challenging you. We are putting all our hopes in you for you to change the narratives in this country and pioneer great things. God bless Kogi State. God bless our dear country, Nigeria, and God bless the youth of this country.
Mic check.